Riu DJ Fatxo kana uria ukinanagio Duke of Mugithi niakorwo akiumbũra ndeto cia magegania na kurekereria ndeto ici kuri mafans ake. DJ Fatxo aihuritwo ni gikeno kinene muno, has taken to his social media pages to break this news, wonderful news actually, kuri mafans ake othe. Ndeto tutaroi na kuumbũra ati his baby is here, ni arathimitwo na kana, na he has shared this akiuga today being Boxing Day, this is his gift, ino niyo gift yake muthenya wa umuthi, na akorwo nginya akiuria mafans ake mekwenda agetwo atia, akiuga it's actually a boy, a bouncing baby boy, and he shared this photo here ire yakenererwo muno ni mafans ake. Ona DJ Fatxo onake mukenu muno, you can see the smile on his face, akiadmire kana gaka gake. Now he shared this message here on his social media pages akiuga, where as you unbox your gifts, I am proud to announce that ... werekirie atakama de mukenu. Suggest a name for him. Mchana watu wapeleke watoi pro kids wacheze na waogele, alafu jioni watu wangu wa Karatina ni kwa Badea Gardens. Hashtag mwana wa mutumia, hashtag DJ Fatxo, hashtag party with the Duke, hashtag the Duke of Mugithi. Na ni undu wakenererwo muno ni mafans ake, ona ginya fellow celebrities aria ona no arata ake, ona nimeyumirie na njira nene muno gukenanira na DJ Fatxo. Matongoretwo ni Jeff Kuria akiuga congratulations, Joki Mĩciĩ nĩ Ndogo congratulations, Polly Asta congratulations, Shiko Masharia congratulations, Sean QB congratulations, welcome to the club. Ona ithe matoga akimwira congratulations for the gift for the baby boy, Karauga na Makai Mary, may God bless the little one. Na ona kuri DJ Fatxo na mwendwa wake, congratulations to them. Na ndugakiriganirwo go subscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.